Cosmetic brand Nature Republic has released an official statement following their now deleted tweets that appeared to be mocking NCT 127. On November 22, Nature Republic took to its official Twitter account to address the controversy surrounding the brand. In their latest tweet, the K-beauty cosmetic brand said, "We apologize for causing inconvenience to NCT 127 fans due to inappropriate word choice and expression regarding our tweets. We humbly accept all opinions, and we will show a careful and responsible attitude in writing Twitter posts." Their statement came after the criticisms they got from NCT 127's fans, NCT Zens, because of their previous tweets that seemed to be mocking the boy group. On November 21, Nature Republic made a tweet about announcing the winner of their Polaroid event. However, their words look like they were indirectly saying NCT 127 is not popular due to the low number of people who joined the event. The Polaroid event was closed yesterday, although we initially planned to announce the winners in mid-December because we thought tens of thousands of people would apply for the event. But eventually, we couldn't even reach 1,000 people, so we will release the winners right away, please pay a lot of attention to it. Prior to that, Nature Republic made a tweet on November 15 to give an update on their Polaroid event, which began weeks before. This post appeared like they were ridiculing NCT 127 as well. Everyone, because the delivery starts today, there are lots of people who haven't received their package yet. Only 24 people applied in 2 hours. 3 winners out of 24 applicants. It's a good ratio, right? In the meantime, 2 more winners were picked. Currently, there are 5 winners. Congratulations to everyone. The 2 Twitter posts have since garnered negative reactions from fans and were ultimately deleted. Meanwhile, while the K-beauty brand apologized to NCT Zens, they are yet to release an official apology to NCT 127. What can you say about Nature Republic's apology to NCT 127 fans? In other news, NCT 127's Two Baddies has spent its 8th consecutive week on Billboard's World Albums chart after ranking 9th in the week ending on November 19. In the same week, the album ranked 22nd on the top album sales chart. It is yet to be revealed whether Two Baddies remained in both Billboard album charts this week, ending on November 26. Released on September 16, Two Baddies is the group's 4th studio album consisting of the title track of the same name and 11 B-side songs. The project was certified a million seller on November 10 by the Korea Music Content Association for selling 1 million copies. Also, on November 10, NCT 127's repackaged album Regulate was certified platinum for selling 250,000 copies in South Korea. For more K-pop news, keep your tabs open here at K-pop Stars.